Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna talking to you not about Finland but about Norway. Uh, because Norway, they are really rich Scandinavian country or north part of Europe, North European country, and they all the time looking more workers abroad, even in Finland, and they employment rate is really low or they don't have jobless people really is really a cool chance to get work. Of course, many career and many job they ask in Norwegian skills, at least basic, but there's a lot like processor workers and factory workers and many others. You can survive with English. And Norway, they speak really well English, even better than Finland. Norway is about same size like in Finland and same level about globally like in Finland. About if you talking about Arctic Circle and Oslo and Helsinki is pretty much same, but they are next to Atlantic Ocean and we are neighbor just north path with them. I never been myself in Norway, but always I would like to visit there. So let's introduce myself first if you are first time in my channel. My name is John and my channel is John of Finland. Usually I talk until these days I have talked about Finland and Finnish works, education and work opportunities and these kind of things. But Norway is our neighbor country and I have lovely neighbor, so why not recommended Norway? And if you get seasonal work, example, there, after that you can come back to Finland because they speak Norwegian there, and Norwegian is nearly same language like Swedish, and they quite easily can communicate each others. Of course, it depends about what dialect they speak, but it's still you if you learn Norwegian or Swedish, you catch up really fast another language. So why not? And you have really advantage if you come after that to Finland because Swedish is official language in Finland and you can go to study even in Swedish and then universities and schools are free for you. So let's go. I swap now this company website and this company is called SalMar. Is processing workers. Let's go. So this is that main page, salmar.no, and then you just click in English about SalMar sustainability customers and consumers career is here. You just click, I quickly show you there are beautiful mountains and fjälls and so lovely. It's full of mountains in this country. You can check out this video yourself and just show you quickly this main page. But we go back. We go back here and you choose career and vacancies to main the position one of the world leading producer of farmer salmon. SalMar is dependent on competent and high quality motivated employees. So they have really interesting jobs. SalMar offer exciting and social working environment with many areas like juveniles, farming, processing and sales and distribution, accounting, etc. And they say we are always interested in good candidates. And if you have relevant competence or experience, please let us know. And they warning you, please avoid there are third parties trying to impersonate SalMar regulating officer. And like I say, I'm not recruiting company agency. I don't take your money about that. I just marketing for you this free. And I want to give you people good opportunity. Just here is more about this. They have more, but most of here are in Norwegian. I can somehow understand. The open Söknat is open application. It's nearly same like Swedish, but there is join our winging team SalMar production worker at the InnovaMar Fish Factory. So there is this one, and let me see. We check out this one. What they say. So this position I started 26th of February 2024 all by agreement, and they still have open this. You can see that they really are sort of people and type of answered fast, quickly, and because this already takes so many months, so just apply there. Uh, that I don't understand what is Norwegian, but that I understand they have 50 position open there, and sök på jobben, gå till söknad, sök senast söndag. So last day to apply is Sunday 21st of July. July or July, Juni. We check out what they say. But there you can see why choose SalMar, join a diverse team presenting over 30 nationalities from around the world. We are not just company, we are a thriving community, driving innovation and collaboration. If you are decided to team player, excel in efficient work practices and more motivated by achieving exceptional results, this is your opportunity to sign. Please try. Position productive worker. As productive worker and InnovaMar, will be at the heart of the operation, contribution to harvesting and processing premium salmon. Your role will involve a variety of tasks, including manual cutting, packing, sorting, and preparation. You will experience shifts alternating between day and evening. Enrich your work-life balance. Qualification we value while experiencing salmon or food productions plus is not necessary. Sorry. Efficiency communication skills in English are essential. Collaboration is key. We value individuals who thrive in team environment. So kind of you are team player and you are really good shining with people. Valid background check from the Norwegian Civil Aviation Authorities. Just click here. Actually, this is not it was another page where you can click and they say we can assist, so don't be worried. And if this is really soon or possible, you still can leave this application. If they don't get enough workers, they still can wait you and help you to immigrate to Norway. Personal attributes, the cornerstone of reliability and punctuality. Embrace a strong work ethic that sets you apart. Adaptability is your middle name, sorry. Flexibility is essential. Demonstrate responsibility in all your undertakings. So you take always responsibility what you ever you do there. Infuse positivity and enhance enhancing into your work environment. Sorry, some English word is so complicated for me. What we offer competitive compensation package and recognizes your dedication. Thrive in a supportive working atmosphere with a growing company. Comprehensive pension and insurance agreements, long-term commitment via fostering able workforce, and we see candidates eager for long-term or permanent employment to contribute to our shared success story. If you are ready to embark on journey or grow an excellence in the world of the aquaculture. SalMar welcomes you to apply for the productive worker position at the InnovaMar on Fröja, I think so is in Norwegian. This is Fröja. Become part of the team that's shaping the future farm and salmon production. We believe that inclusion and diversity is strength and engage all qualified candidates to apply, regardless of gender, age, religion, ethnicity, or other individual differences. Workplace Innomar Fröja. So they don't care your gender, age, religion, and other thing. Just please apply, and they are really like no matter which part of the world you are. And learn more about SalMar and Fröja. You can go here. This is contact person if you want to contact by telephone, but it's easy. Just send email and check out them. And this is trustful company. I turn back now camera. So please apply there. One of my friend, I know one person who applied from Brazil and he worked at this company. And but nowadays, what I know, he don't know work anymore there, but he still live in Norway. So it's trustful company and world of the biggest salmon company or fish production company. And this is really big business and area in Norway. They transport fish everywhere. They South America, like example Brazil. They transport salmon to Finland. One far away, I know they transport fish also to Japan. So please hurry up and do your application. And I hope that you like this video and it was helpful. And please thumb up, subscribe, like, share my video, give your comment and what you like that at this time do in about Norway, even that I love my own country, but I wanna give you opportunity because they're looking all the time. I'm really sorry that I forgot to show which button you had to push that you get apply, but if you have any problem, use Google Translation. Okay, see you next time. Sorry. Okay, bye bye.